Oh, hi.
Hi, I'm Stacia. That's Peter. Level 1, Charleston, week 2.
You killed it. Looked really good. We did the basic again. Let's just show the basic facing each other. I'm a leader. She's a follower. 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock, step, kick, step, double kick. And rock, step, kick, step, double kick. Do this a billion times. Put it on 0.75 if you need to. Check it out and do this a whole bunch at home.
Remember to
least
let
one
your
time.
behind stay behind and not let your hips come forward.
That's so true. This is a very advanced technique. So we also did double kicks, and I want to remind you of those. That's just right here. Let's face them, I guess. 6, 7, 8, double kick, double kick, double kick, switch, double kick. This is a good thing to practice as well. If you got no one to practice with, practicing this will be really helpful when we get it together and do some more stuff. We did a little review of the skip up. So we did this little kind of mini routine. One basic, another basic, then we did skip up. Hey, hey, woo, roll, roll, rock, step, woo. Remember, when we do the skip up, we gotta really, really get in there and kind of feel something. And when we feel the squeeze, it's easier to roll out of it slow, slow, rock, step. Then we worked on kickaways. This was sort of the suspense for next time. When we're here, we'll actually do it.
Okay.
We go double kick, we turn away, we turn towards, we're away, I catch the hip, and it's always double kick, step, double kick, step, double kick, step, double kick, forever. That's all it is. Oh my